Today is fixing and organizing day. But first, coffee.
100 grams.
As you can see, it's a little windy, so microphone it is. Hopefully don't catch it on video too much. Alright, so let's check out that fuse really quick. The vent is starting to act up. I was thinking it might be a fuse thing or a connection thing, so let's look that up and see if that's the case. Part of the fuse panels I have right here, unlabeled of course, because why would I label it? All the wiring looks in order and all the fuses look in order. I inspected both fuse boxes. It might just be the vent on its way out because, well, I've had it for 7 years now. So now this is kind of an important one. The Starlink plug is not working anymore, and it's my fault because I tried to charge my laptop with the USB-C that it offers, and I can get with the USB-C that it offers, and I'm guessing the laptop pulled a little more than it could handle. And I'm guessing the laptop pulled a little more than it could handle. And I know that this wire has a fuse on it, and there's a fuse in the fuse box, but none of those are tripped, so let's find this other fuse. Alright, found it. I always carry this bag with fuses because I have so many and it's hard to tell which is which. My guess is one of these, the smaller ones, but let's find out. This is the awkward part. I'm gonna have to go with my arms in there and try to get it. Let's see here, moment of truth. Will it work? Look at that. We got it going. We got it going. Now to put it back. We're online, baby. As you may have seen on one of my last or latest videos, is that in the back at the doors, I took off the plastic trim so I can put in those window shades, and because of that this latch doesn't fit anymore, so I need to find a way to latch this back up. So this is a latch that I have from the inside that I can actually lock with a lock over here. It's an extra measure of security, so that's next on the fixing stuff. Since I'm back here, let's figure this out. That needs to be fixed as well. Alright, well, I was able to get it going down here rather than up here. Still pretty easy to reach. We're gonna pause this video right here and take a minute and talk about today's sponsor for this video, which is, well, me, Stefan, Ghica.com. If many of you didn't know, I do have a storefront. We have a lot of merch, a lot of t-shirts, a lot of hats, coffee mugs, stickers, t-shirts, hoodies. We even have beach towels, so check that out. I really love the hoodies that we have right now. Also, there is an Amazon storefront, so if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that you see here on the channel that I use every day, including all of my electrical system, a lot of the things that I use, like coffee pots or just pots and pans. Any of the gadgets that you see here on the van, even the boxes up on top of the rooftop, then you can find them on there. Even these window covers, they're all on there, so you can definitely get yourself some of that stuff. StefanGhica.com. Don't forget to go over and check it out. With that being said, let's head back to the video. All right, well, it's like 12 o'clock right now, and I need to eat something because I'm getting projects done. They take a little bit of time, even though it doesn't seem like it, because when I do projects, it's kind of hard to film. But I need to get something to eat. And because it was the holidays, I visited family, so I have leftover food to go. And these are cabbage rolls. They are a tradition that my mom makes during the holidays. They make theirs with meat, but they made mine with mushrooms, lentils, and rice. So I'm gonna heat some of these up. A quick lunch break. Some people usually put sour cream, but I don't have that, so it's gonna be ricotta, or just did it with jalapeno, which I will anyway. These smell really, really good. Of my projects for me for today, but I might as well get it done, because if I don't, some things may go really wrong. So this is my box where I have my microwave and a few shelves. The box is heavy, the door is fine, the door is not lagging or anything, but the screws in the back, because when I shut the door, it kind of pulls on the screws, if that makes any sense, and I need to re-screw them back in. There's no screws here anymore. This was from a previous project, but it still holds fine on the other side. I just need to redo them a bit, but it's not completely unsafe. It's all done. I just used the beefier screws, which I had. The other ones were stripped, so no matter how much I wanted to tighten them up, well, they were stripped. So now we got beefier screws in there. No more gap. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for coming along on today's video. This is just like a house. Things break, things need fixing. Today, the whole day was a fixing day. And I'm kind of glad I got some of the stuff done, because I do have a trip planned coming up in a few weeks. It's not always campfires, but it is a lot of campfires. Okay, bye.